be sharing an unboxing of my February Emma's Paperie design team products. I have ordered a few things from the shop that I want to share with you guys. That way you guys know what I'm working with. And if you guys are interested in purchasing your own, you can, and you can see what you like. So let's get started. This month I ordered a few extra things out of pocket, and this was all on the clearance section. So I took advantage of the sales that Emma's has going on right now, and I was able to get most of these pieces 50% off, which is a total deal, guys. I loved it. I got some designer dies. These ones are perfect for card making, and it also, I mean, it cuts out the border for you, but you can always use the inside piece of it. And I'm really excited to use these. These are Cartabella dies. So I'm really excited to have these. I also ordered the Tombow dual brush pens. I've never used these before, but basically just ordered the bright palette, and I'm excited to try these out. I've never really colored or anything or done any brush scripting, so I might try doing some of that. To be honest, I just saw they were on sale and I was like, oh, I gotta have those. I also got these holiday embossing strips by We Are Memory Keepers, and these are just different strips here. There's 6 that create different sentiments on regular cardstock, and you can just either color over it, or you can also sand it down to give it some texture and bring it out. But I love that I can use it for all the holidays. So we've got Happy Holidays, Give Thanks, Boo for Halloween, Happy 4th, XOXO, perfect now for Valentine's Day, and then another Merry Christmas. So those were the fun bits that kind of don't go with any themed anything. So thought I would share these first. I also ordered 2 bits from the One Canoe 2 Willow collection. This one is very, very pretty. I always like to grab the stickers from the One Canoe 2 collections. And then I also got the 6x8 paper pad. It comes with 36 papers, and these actually have some gold foiling to it. So I want to show you guys what these papers look like. I believe it's gold foil. It might be a mixture of both, to be honest. I feel like I'm looking at it and I see it rose gold. But anyways, now that we got those stickers off, I can show you what the papers look like. We got, like always, a few cut aparts, and Willow is just a beautiful mix of pinks and greens, mustard yellows. So pretty and fun, and I love all the gold foiling pieces here. So pretty, and I really want to see what I can make with this. I really love the pop of colors I saw when I ordered it. So let's see. I'll think of something and share it here with you guys. The next few bits I got are in perfect theme with Valentine's Day. So I picked up the Pink Paisley Lucky Us 6x12 stickers, which are so pretty, full of pink, full of random little hearts and circles and stuff. 6x12 cut apart sheet. This is paper number 1, and I just love it. I kind of want to use these, but look at this back to it. Oh, it's so pretty. Almost ashamed to cut this. Almost a shame. I love it so much. So, you know, just a few extra supplies to add to my Valentine inventory. The next few bits are from Pebbles Happy Cake Day. So January is my daughter's birthday on the 30th, and my son's birthday is actually Valentine's Day. So it is birthday season here at home, which is why I picked up a few of these gorgeous papers from Happy Cake Day. My daughter's having a birthday party. They're both having a birthday party on the same day, but we're doing like best of both worlds. So my son is doing a blue theme, and my daughter's doing pink and unicorns. So this was so cute and perfect. I picked up 2 of those papers. I also picked up the cut apart sheet, and here's the back to that. A bunch of phrases you can cut out for cards or, you know, journaling, whatever it may be. And another fun cut apart sheet, which is actually to go to these tags. My idea was to create a tag mini album, so which is why I got the set of 24 tags. and then the set of the cards that I can cut apart from the 12 by 12 sheet. And here's the back to that one. Very cute and pink. And so yeah, these were a few birthday bits I got to kind of document my daughter's and my son's birthday. Finally, I picked up some more of the Heritage collection. I couldn't keep my hands off of it, guys. I went back and checked to see what supplies they still had left and what papers stood out to me the most. So I grabbed a few of those. So let's start off with the embellishments. I got the stickers here. These are kind of like the wax melt stickers. They're so pretty. I love them so much. I love the colors. And then I also got the charms. I don't have a whole lot of charms, and if I do, I don't use them a whole lot, but these were too pretty not to grab, and I kind of want to do the book binding that Paige Taylor Evans does, and she always adds charms to her book binding, so I thought this would be something fun to have in my stash for that. I also got these butterfly embellishments. They're so cute. I believe these have maybe like a tying string, because you can, or a tying little wire, because I think you can add these to kind of a 3D project. And then speaking of 3D, I have some of the fun 3D flowers, and then I have some fun floral sequined leaves, or yeah, sequin leaves. They're beautiful, they're gold. And the papers, I did grab more papers like I said, so I have the keepsake paper. This one is actually a gold foiled specialty paper, and you can cut these out and create different kinds of ribbons for different occasions and stuff. I think that's really cool, and it's very pretty. The background is very nice and mellow, which I like, but I could definitely use these you know, in the future to document all the different kinds of milestones. This paper is called Keepsake, and it is also sort of a cut apart sheet, maybe not. The background has a lot of pretty floral and bird prints here, very subtle, and then the butterflies in the front. I love it. This one is called Decades, and it's just a bunch of cute little pieces of I don't know, different items, clothing, glasses, frames, just a bunch of fun stuff here, all a girl could ever need. And the back, again, another fun mellow blue kind of color. This one is called Sincerely, and I love these dots. They're very vintage, very cute. It's like off-white little dots on black, and the back of this is even more beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at this wreath, so pretty with all the flowers, definitely attracting me. So pretty. And I did order another one of this wood grain paper that I used in a layout that is actually going to have a process video very soon, so stay tuned for that. I actually ordered 2 of these. I've already fussy cut some of them because I am working hard on making a mini album. So let me show you kind of what I've done. I've already cut out the other paper that I had, and I am working hard on making a mini album using all these gorgeous supplies. Then I have this paper here, which the front side is this one. It's called Embroidered. So you can actually go in and embroider this beautiful paper. And the back is so beautiful. It looks like the cover to an album. Definitely a focal point kind of layout. And then it says memory here. This one really also calls to me. I kind of want to figure out, like, how do I create embellishments around this? It's got my brain all puzzled, to be honest. This one is called Portrait, and it is just a bunch of portraits here. I am really curious to know if these are actually Maggie Holmes children's portraits, which would be super awesome. And here's the back of that. It's a very pretty and subtle kind of wallpaper pattern, I would say. Then I have this one called Album. It's just a bunch of cameras, and the back is like color swatches to what the collection is. So I think this is a very fun paper. This one is called Library, and you can see it's kind of like a chevron type pattern with different thicknesses, colors, shades, different patterns and ways of how the chevrons are moving, which is fun. I like it. And in the back is just another blue kind of zigzaggy chevron type of pattern. This one is called Handwritten, and a lot of cute phrases that could be cut out. I really like it. And the back is this beautiful floral paper. It's so fun and cute. It reminds me of like a pattern on skirts and stuff. It's so cute and florally. So that's it for the crepe paper. So guys, this is it for my unboxing today. All of this was purchased on emmaspaperie.com. There is a lot of stuff on sale right now, so if you guys want to take advantage of the clearance area, all of this, not all of this, I'm wrong. Most of this was gotten from the clearance section, so if you guys are interested, you know, find some deals, whatever you need in your stash, now's the time. So thanks for watching, guys. I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!